Hi, okay, so my name is Tyler Hyde, and the career that I've chosen is homicide detective. I chose this career because it really interests me, and I feel like it would give me the proper stimulus that I require to be happy in my career. So the required education for this career, for this specific career choice, I only require an associate's degree. I do require higher education, but I don't need a master's or a bachelor's even. I'll major in criminal psychology with a minor in criminal justice for 2 years. And this is the first 2 years of my 4-year plan. The next 2 years involve going through the police academy for 6 months, and then I guess it's actually not a 4-year plan because 3 years after I exit the police academy, I'll have to be a regular officer until 3 years is up, and then I can progress on to become a detective, and then I'll defer to homicide detective from there. Um, but yeah, so for the required education, I really only need an associate's degree, just some form of higher education in order for me to rank up to become a homicide detective. And I chose psychology to major in because specifically I want to focus on negotiations and interrogations with criminals. And I thought that this would be really important to understand why the people I work with make the choices I do. I also think that if I can understand the thought process of a human being, it will give me a huge advantage if I'm sitting in a negotiation room, have to interrogate or have to negotiate with someone out of, let's say, like a dangerous situation, or talk someone into confessing, or just get answers out of negotiation. I thought that criminal psychology would help me a lot with that, and so that's the reason I chose psychology. And it really relates to the reasons in chapter 13 because it's got personal references and it's got personal interests, and it really relates to the specific career that I want to go into. So that was my presentation, and I hope that that helps you understand why I chose psychology and the required education for my career.